Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to use charts or graphs with your C++ Windows Form application. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to my toolbox and I will go to data section and I will pick up a chart from there, this one, and I will drag and drop into my form. So this looks like this, and I will reshape it according to my requirement. And the second thing I will do is I will take a button to load a chart. Okay, and I will name this button as load chart. Okay, and my chart name is this chart1. And suppose I want to show some bar chart on my this chart panel. How can I do it? So for example, I want to show a name versus age bar chart. So I will just click this load chart button, double click this, and I will go to the event of this button to load the chart, and in here I will write the line this arrow pointer, this line, this arrow pointer chart1, which is the name of my chart, arrow pointer series, and this is the name of the series. In my case this is age, so I will change it here, age, and I will just copy this age from here and I will go up where my chart declarations are there, and you see the series name is series 1 by default, and I will replace it by age. So here you have to replace your name of the series and at the bottom where you are writing your code here. And in this bracket you need to pass two parameter for x and y axis. So for example, I will pass a name and the age of some person. So for example, Max, and his age is 25. I will copy this line once again and paste it down, and I will change the name Carl, his age is 35, and one more time I will copy and paste, his name is Mark and his age is 40, for example. Okay, so now I want to show the age versus name graph of this person. So this is the x-axis of your graph and this is the y-axis. And so when you press the button, it will load this data into your chart and show the chart according to this data. So let's see if this works or not. I will run the program. And here I will give my username and password, and if I press this load button, my data should appear here. So let's try it. Yes, my data is appeared here. So this shows the bar chart of name versus age, and you see here age. Now if you want to show line chart instead of this bar chart, then what you need to do, there are some settings in the properties you can do. So go to the series here, this one in the property, and click this button, and it will open the series collection editor. I only have one series called age, and for that series I can change the chart type from here. Okay, so I'm changing the chart type. Instead of columns, I want line chart. So like this, I will just change it and press OK, and you see its bars are converted to line chart. And now when you run your program, and once again go to that form, and when you load your program, instead of bars you can see the line chart of your data. So in the same way you can choose the type from here and just display into your chart. So it depends upon you. It has some other settings like name of your series and some other settings by which you can make your chart really good. So it has what style do you need for your chart. I will change these styles and I will see how it looks. So if I want to add some image also, I can select, but I don't have any image right now, but you can select and it will be shown into the background of your chart. So this is also a very good feature which you can use. Border color, you can choose whatever color you want for your border, and the color of your series also you can choose. For example, I want to show green color and I press OK. Okay, and once again I want to choose column instead of this line chart and press OK. So you see your chart properties are changed, and you can play with the properties and see what properties you want with your chart. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to show one other data, so you want to show name versus age and name versus some score data, you can also do show two bars parallel to each other showing two datas for the same person. So how can we do that? We will see also here. So once again go at the top. No, actually you don't need to go at the top, just go to your form and select your chart and go to the properties, and once again we will go to the series collection here. Okay, and I will press it, and if I want to show two series, age and score for example, so I will click this add button and I can change the name of this series from here. So from here I will change the name of the series as score. Okay, so the name is changed, and what else I need to change is the color which I want to use. For the age, no, for the score I will use some other color, for example this cyan color, and for the age I will use this lime color. Okay, so I have two data, one age and one score versus name. So you can see already this shows two bars, and in the code how can you represent this data? Just click your load chart button, double click, and go to the code. These three lines we have added earlier, just give the space between them and just copy this line once again and paste it here, and instead of age series we now need to show the score. So I will write the name of the score series, which is score, and this is the name versus the score. So for example I want to give the score 500. Once again copy and paste. For Carl I want to give the score 450, and for Mark I want to give the score 550 for example, and I will change the name of the series. This one is the series data and this one is the series data. Okay, and I will separate the code to better understand it. So it will load the age data and it will load the score data in the same chart 1. So if you want to copy this code, just pause the video and copy the code. And now we will try to run the program. And you can see age and score, two series are there, and when I press load chart it will show my score and the age of the particular name. So in this way you can play with your chart and show what data you want to show. I think you have enjoyed this video, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.